Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Shalini and you are watching Style Milagro. Well, you have read the title, you are here, and I am super excited to dive into this topic which I know a lot of you are curious about. Today, I am sharing my opinion and my review on some viral and hyped products. We are all on the internet, we see so many products that are being hyped about, talked about on Instagram and on YouTube Shorts, but are they really worth the hype, or it is just another marketing gimmick or marketing campaign for beauty brands? Today, I do not have a lot of products, but a bunch of them that are really making waves on the internet, and so I'm gonna give my honest impressions and performance reviews. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. The first product is Cancel Concealer by Mars Cosmetic. It is their new launch and it is all over my Instagram feed. It is just 249 rupees, which I must say कि बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी quantity है 249 rupees में. They say it is the ultimate concealer to hide your dark circles and blemishes, and it is the just like the ultimate full coverage concealer जो कि बहुत matte है, to which I agree. The texture is very creamy and very smooth, and it is extremely easy to blend this out, and it is a little yellow. I have the shade 03, which is not my exact shade, but it gives me that highlighting concealer wala look, so I prefer it. It is definitely full coverage and is on a little heavier side, which is good to hide your dark circles really well. But then you have to be careful, since ये बहुत ही heavy है. You have to use a good setting powder to set it nicely, otherwise ये थोड़ा केकी हो जाएगा. So in some reviews you might see beauty creators talking कि ये थोड़ा केकी है. It is because आप इसको बहुत ज़्यादा अगर apply कर लोगे, थोड़ा will go a long way. Apply a little and it will give you a proper nice coverage. Packaging is also very sleek and travel friendly. ये बहुत ही छोटू सा कंसीलर है जो कि easily मेरे किसी भी पर्स में आ जाएगा. So it is easy to carry around and it is budget friendly. So if you're looking for a good coverage concealer, this one is definitely a good option. Alright, next we have a blush from Mars Cosmetics again. This one is Sugar Rush Blush and it is a new launch, so we all know that it is a marketing campaign that every beauty creator is talking about it, but this one is getting special attention for how pigmented the colors are and how easy it is to apply them. मुझे कोरल कलर का ब्लश ट्राई करना था and to see that how it looks on me, because मेरे पास इस कलर रेंज का कोई ब्लश नहीं है. So I got this one in just 279 rupees and it's the shade 02 Coral Sorbet. See how pigmented the color is. A little bit will go a long way. It is so easy to apply with a brush or even with your fingers. Blends very nicely and give you that rich flush of color. I absolutely love how buildable it is. You can go from a subtle glow to the intense look as per your preference. इसको थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी अप्लाई करना है क्योंकि ये बहुत ही मैट ब्लश है. इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर समर्स क्योंकि इसकी लास्टिंग पावर बहुत ज़्यादा है. इट विल लास्ट ऑन योर चीक्स फॉर अबाउट 7-8 hours easily, बट ट्राई कि इसको जल्दी जल्दी अप्लाई करें so that it doesn't leave a stain on your cheek. So this one is definitely a keeper, and if you're looking for a rich intense color, vibrant color ka koi blush, so you can definitely give this a try. This one is really pigmented compared to the high end makeup brands. Alright, moving further, मेरे पास एक और blush है to talk about, and this one is from Faye, their Lush Blush range. I have the shade Silly With Me. I got it on a discount. I got it around 480 rupees का, 500 rupees का, and इसका actual price थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है. And in that price, the product is like very very small, बहुत ही छोटू सा, मतलब like it's not even as big as my finger. So yeah, मतलब जो पहला ब्लश था that was 249 and a lot of product. This is a little less product. It is just so viral for its beautiful colors and the unique texture. The shade range caters to all Indian skin tones, which I really love about it. Talking about the product, the packaging is so cute and luxurious at the same time. The texture is so soft and velvety. It is it gives you that beautiful dewy natural flush wala look, और बहुत ही easy है to build it up. So I really think it is really good for everyday wear. The shade Silly is actually like a terracotta shade, and I'm really glad that I'm trying different blush shades these days. Like वो coral था, ये terracotta है. From what I usually do, like pinks and reds, थोड़े different है. So you're gonna see a lot of different colors of blushes on me in the coming shots and videos. इट्स अ टेराकोटा शेड, थोड़ा ब्राउन रेंज में फॉल होता है, बट इवन आफ्टर दैट इट इज नॉट टू ओवर पावरिंग, विच आई रियली अप्रिशिएट. मैंने इसे एक हफ्ते पहले खरीदा था, एंड एज आई सेड इट्स लाइक एवरी डे वेयर वाला ब्लश. आई यूज इट, आई अप्लाई इट एवरी डे while getting ready for my office, and this one is just worth all the hype. And if you are looking for a blush that is very luxurious to use and also is not very high on coverage, this is it. You need to try this one then. Next we have another product by Mars Cosmetic. हाँ, मैंने Mars Cosmetic के बहुत सारे products खरीद लिए थे. This one is Drip Lip Mist. Now this is like a dupe of Roman lip oil. Roman is a dupe of Rare Beauty lip oils. So yeah, matlab this is like a lip oil, lip mist by an Indian brand, and it's quite affordable, of course. Packaging is cute and compact, but it is something that I would not prefer. Now, I haven't tried the Raw Man lip oil or the Rare Beauty lip oil, but talking about this and just this, I understand the hype around it because it is a gloss, but it is not sticky whatsoever. I mean, it is super lightweight और बहुत ही ज़्यादा जैसे usually you see how glosses are, this is not sticky at all, which I really like about it. But when the shine goes away, which goes away like in an hour or so, this becomes like this leaves my lips very dry, and if your lips are already chappy, तो बहुत ज़्यादा irritating भी हो सकता है जहाँ भी आपके होठ फटे हैं. So ये उतना quality wise मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा है definitely. I didn't really understood the hype around it. The color, however, looks really good on me. It's the cranberry dip, and it's a buildable coverage, so you can apply 2 to 3 coats to reach your desired intensity. It is not transfer proof, but later when it dries on your lips, it becomes transfer proof. Even when the shine and lip gloss entirely fades away, thoda sa tint reh jata hai, which will be there until unless you remove your makeup. So yeah, it's like okayish product. Color अच्छा है, budget friendly है, और you can try this, but मेरे लिए it's not a good one, and maybe I wouldn't purchase it. I just like this color on me. So yeah, it's I mean, I'm not rating any product, but अगर मैं rate कर रही होती, this would have got like 4.5 out of 10. Alright, moving further, I have another lipstick by L'Oreal Paris from their range of color rich satin lipstick in the shade Worth It Intense. Now, this one is a new launch, and the marketing campaign is high, and every influencer is talking about it. Since they released it, I really wanted to buy this and purchase this one. इसको भी मैंने Fay Beauty के उस Lush blush के साथ मंगाया था Nykaa से, and it's been 1 week. It's the terracotta blush and this lipstick. Every day I'm applying it. I was actually looking for a satin lipstick, and this one is just one of the best addition in my lipstick collection. I absolutely love this color on me. I mean, no makeup look, कुछ नहीं लगाओ, बस स्किन केयर करके ये लिपस्टिक लगा के मैं चली जाती हूँ, and it definitely makes a statement. The packaging is so classic and elegant. The color is so smooth and easy to apply. It is a satin lipstick, so it is definitely not long wear, but hey, it does not dry your lips out, and it gives you that luxurious feel. And it is just 720 or 750 bucks, so you can definitely understand the hype around it. I mean, it is so creamy and beautiful. I just love this maroonish red, deep red color on me. If you're not eating anything, it will stay for 3 to 4 hours. So if you're looking for a reliable lipstick without compromising on your comfort and also need that intense payoff, this is it. You need to try this one. Next, I have a product that is a mascara from Stays 9 to 9. They're all eyes on you voluminizing waterproof mascara. It is a 12-hour long wear, and this one is a tubing mascara. And why in the world people are not making tubing mascaras more, and why are not people switching to tubing mascaras than their regular mascara? Instead of applying so many layers of regular mascara to get that length, that volume, just try a tubing mascara for once and you'll know the difference. The best part is कि इसको remove करना super easy है. Now Stays 929 did launch their triangular lipstick that went very viral last year. I don't know why this product wasn't that viral. In one swipe ये आपको वो length, वो volume देता है, and it is super easy to remove with warm water. It just comes out without you have to rubbing and tugging your mascaras while removing makeup. So I think it is worth all the hype because it does not clump and give you that beautiful lashes without the hassle. Overall, it is a great option and a great product available in Indian market. Alright, so the last product is not a makeup, but it's a skincare product. This one was viral last season, but people are talking about it again, at least on my feed. This one is a sunscreen which is hyped for its unique formula and lightweight texture. I am talking about the Wishcare Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Sunscreen. Now I have been using this sunscreen from past 2 to 3 weeks, and this one is really lightweight, at the most liquidy sunscreen that I have ever tried. It's dewy and gets absorbed in my skin very quickly. The packaging is also very unique and functional, and it does not leave any white cast. As I said, जैसे ही लगाते हैं 5-6 seconds में easily आप इसे blend कर सकते हैं अपने skin पे. I love that it is packed with some beneficial ingredients like niacinamide and ceramide. There are two things that I don't like about it. Number one is that कि it's a bit expensive, like it's very less for 500 rupees compared to the other Indian brands only that are offering really good dewy sunscreens. The second thing that I don't like about it is that it leaves my skin a little bit oily, not too much but a little bit oily. Texture is very runny and watery, but still मुझे थोड़ा सा oiliness लगता है on my skin later. But the sunscreen is really effective and offers a great protection. So if you're looking for a easy to apply lightweight sunscreen, this one is really good and worth all the hype. Alright, so there you have it. These were all the viral and hyped products that internet made me buy, and these were all my honest opinion. Some of them exceeded my expectations, some of them were really worth the hype, and one or two to mujhe bas airy lage. I hope you find this video helpful to make an informed decision before falling into the virality and purchasing this product out of impulsivity. I have listed down all the products in the description, so you can just go and click them and buy them directly. Let me know what you think about these products in the comment section if you have tried any of them already. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.